told you to see everything here.
You see it shimmy around. He'll walk it in a circle. He'll roll it over. And if Rookie stepped up in the last few years, he should be able to put it on the side of the truck. Can you put it on the side yet, Junior? I was there when he popped the cherry on the first roll, remember? First time he rolled his truck, he was so happy, I think he peed his pants. Because he had traveled with us for a year and a half, and we had rode his case non-stop until he got it over. He's adopted the cigarette in the mouth technique of so many great former competitors. Rookie and actually tell you who this is. This is another local guy right here. This is out of Indianapolis, Indiana. This is Andrew Fleming. Rob Robertson to the stage, please. Robertson to the stage. It's getting hard to MC without curse words. And there's kids here, man. Come on.
Hey, I want to hear you guys give it up for these guys, man. They come out of their pocket on these cars. There's a lot of money in these things. They tear them up for all you guys just to be able to see them get tore up. So he's local. He ain't doing this for much. Good guy. Everybody's coming out. Everybody's getting together. Even though we're all on different teams, we're all on the same team here. So let's give it up for these guys.
All right, so Andrew Fleming. Oh, excuse me. That was rude. All right, now serious, I'll quit being such a smart ass. Ladies, please, look around and consider. Let's go over and see either, I believe you can sign up at the Gage booth or where we have our show shirts, or also make your way up to see Rob with SGE Entertainment. I can personally guarantee you, you will have a fun time on stage. You will not be booed. I've ran these shows for too long, and the last guy that booed, he was more embarrassed about his life than anything when we were done. Okay, so we're going to have fun on stage. It's going to be a nice, clean competition. It's family friendly. It's going to be so clean I may even let my 6-year-old MC it because it'll be a little bit easier. Actually, he's a little bit more vulgar than I am, so I might not want to do that. All right, put your hands together one time. I'm going to count it here real loud for Andrew Fleming. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so like I said, a series of hops. There's a front and there's a rear hop. Switch over to the front. "90 seconds must hit all aspects of his dance. And we're doing this in a very confined space because you guys normally have a couple hundred feet to work with, and we're on a small pad. So there's a lot of breaking the action to reset. Go for it. There you go. If you don't knock something off, I'm going to rip your finger off. Did he really lock out? Done? It seized out the rear? Oh.